Welcome to Entertainment World. In this video, we will explore how to create distinctive home decor. Let us commence. Designing a distinctive home decor that embodies the preferences of a newlywed couple marks a significant milestone in their shared journey. The living room, serving as the social hub of the home, plays a vital role, and arranging the furniture for harmony in this space is crucial. Whether you opt for a sofa with a striking pattern or a visually appealing divan as the centerpiece, adhering to these principles will assist you in crafting a living room where you and your partner can enjoy quality moments together. The size of the seating area greatly influences the overall appearance of a room. Thus, selecting a beautiful and functional sofa, chair, divan, or other seating options is essential. Reflect on how you intend to utilize the seating in your living area. Do you envision it as a cozy retreat for the two of you, or as an elegant space for family gatherings? If your living room is intended to be the focal point for romantic date nights, a sectional sofa could be an ideal choice. Its spacious seating will create a perfect atmosphere for relaxation with your partner. Incorporating a plush rug will enhance the warmth of the room. Additionally, a sofa bed is a practical solution for accommodating overnight guests during your newlywed phase. By day, it serves as a comfortable sofa, transforming into a cozy bed at night. For those with limited space, a love seat may be the most suitable option. Despite its compact size, it offers ample seating without overwhelming the area. Complementing it with a small coffee table and a floor rug will complete the inviting, space-efficient setup. While this may seem like a variety of items, many of them can be found at the upcoming Dhaka International Trade Fair, DITF, simplifying your furniture shopping experience under one roof. If you have recently acquired a larger home, consider embracing a classic design theme. The sophistication of a three-seater sofa will undoubtedly enhance the ambiance of any room it occupies. Its rich historical design and distinctive buttons make it an ideal centerpiece for your living room. Complementing this piece with a vibrant cushion or a cozy throw will further enhance its appeal. For a compact entryway that leads to the living room, slender wooden divans are an excellent choice. These divans often come with space-saving features, such as integrated shelves at the back, which are perfect for storing items like CDs and books. You and your partner can explore the available options at the Dhaka International Trade Fair, DITF. This venue also provides a wonderful opportunity for you as newlyweds to enjoy each other's company while browsing through various shops. As newlyweds, your home should embody a haven of peace, love, and harmony. Therefore, take pleasure in decorating your living room and home, as it will serve as a lasting testament to your affection for one another. Thank you for your engagement. Wishing you a delightful day ahead. Farewell.